Y'all wake up, man. It's called a Barber. Would you believe if I told you that I do not get new clients? Would you believe that? I don't get new clients, man. I just can't get no new clients, you know? So what I do is, I don't get new clients. I connect with clients. You understand what I'm saying? It's a big difference. You understand? It was a point in time in my career when I was just cutting everybody, all type of people. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't doing appointments. I was trying to get, my clientele up. I was just cutting everybody. And when you not doing appointments, when you doing walk-ins, you tend to run into all type of people. And then when your price point low, because you're trying to build your clientele up, your schedule always open, right? Because you're not even doing appointments. I was cutting all type of people. Had all type of people coming in, Some people was falling off. Some people stayed down for the long run. I even still got some of those people now. But eventually, I filtered that all out by setting my services up a certain type of way. And the people that I connected with is the ones that I still rock with. Even to this day, I got a high rating on StyleSeek, a lot of followers on Instagram. Two of the main places people look for clients, that's a jewel. So take that. I'm rated high, so I get new people all the time. However, I don't keep everybody because I don't connect with everybody, right? I make sure that I'm personable, I'm likable or whatnot. I don't cater to everyone's needs. I have my ways of doing business, but I mainly focus on the connection with clients. You understand? People that fit in my rotation. You have to be very specific about that, because if you don't fit in my rotation, I'll tell you, the most professional way possible. You can choose another barber. You're more than welcome to choose another barber. My services are not set up to fit you, because I don't cater to everybody. I don't just get new clients, I connect with clients, right? So when we connect, it can be personalities, lifestyle, etc., business-wise, all that. You know what I'm saying? Those are the type of people I connect with. The type of person I am, the way I set my business up, like I said in the last video, I connect with clients, and that's what you want to do. That's how you get a valuable, stable, or valuable roster of clientele, by connecting with people. You don't want to just, like I was in the beginning of my barber career, you don't want to just be cutting everybody. They kind of throw you off. You got some people they want to call you right before they pull up, or you have your people come in smelling like marijuana, your people coming in high as hell off of whatever drugs they taking. You have people coming in, with too many kids or whatever, highly bad kids, all that. You have all type of people coming in. Not that this is a bad thing. For some people cool with that, but I'm not. It makes you uncomfortable behind the chair. You understand? And you don't want to be uncomfortable behind the chair. You want a roster of clientele that you're happy to see every single day. You want your clients, when you look at your schedule and see your clients come in, okay, I can't wait till my boy come through. We're going to chop it up about this and about that, because y'all like-minded, y'all have like goals, etc., right? You want to connect with your clients, right? You don't want to just get new clients. So these people, like me, I don't go around scouting clients. I'm going around, hey, pick me, let me be your barber, who cut your hair, etc., I don't do that. You understand? I'm magnetic. I attract people to me. You understand what I'm saying? Because the way my service is set up and the way they are, you go through my pipeline to my chair, because every barber must have a chair, a pipeline, client pipeline to the chair. When you go through that, it filters out the people that I'm probably not gonna connect with in the first place. You understand? So You got to make sure that you connecting with clients. Ask them about themselves, where they from, what they into, where they work. Are they thinking about starting a business on the side, etc., etc. You want to connect with people, right? So you can set up a roster of clients to where you like this person coming in all the time, right? You got a full roster of clients. That's a lot of different personalities. You don't want it to be too off base, because you'll find yourself switching, between what you talk about and what you about, just to cater to a certain person for a few dollars. And you don't want that. You want to be comfortable behind the chair. That's important. That's how you're able to get up every day and go to the shop happy and come home happy. You understand? So don't just get new clients. Connect with them, man. You understand? It's very, very vital. This is one of the things that keep my schedule so booked, because people can't wait to come in and chop it up, and we all support each other. You understand? If my clients do things that I'm interested in and that I can use, or they have services that I can use, I use them, and they come to me. We keep it full circle, right? And sometimes we just have like goals, like time frames on goals, and we just share that. And they can't wait to come in and chop it up about it, because we have, we connect. You understand? We connect. You see them out, hey, what's going down? Whatever. Because you got to connect. You understand? So don't just get new clients. Connect with clients. You understand? I'm telling you, it's one of the best things you can do to keep that chair booked up, man. Y'all like the video, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, because I'm dropping these videos as much as possible, giving y'all free barber game. Most importantly, wake y'all asses up.